How do you deal with a hostile ex in contested divorce? Imagine facing a situation where your ex is making things harder during your divorce. It can feel overwhelming, but knowing how to handle a hostile ex can make a big difference. When you go through a contested divorce, it means you and your spouse can't agree on important issues like property division, child custody, or support. This often leads to tension and conflict. A hostile ex might refuse to follow court orders, hide assets, or use the children as leverage. These actions can slow down the process and increase stress. The first thing to remember is to stay calm and avoid reacting emotionally. Responding with anger can escalate the situation and hurt your case. Courts prefer parents who stay composed and focus on the children's best interests. Keep detailed records of all interactions with your ex. Save emails, text messages, and voicemails that show any violations of court orders or threatening behavior. This evidence can be very helpful if you need to go back to court. If your ex is not paying support or ignoring custody arrangements, you can file a motion for contempt. This asks the court to hold your ex accountable and can result in fines, community service, or even jail time. The court can also change custody if your ex's behavior is harming the children. If your ex is hiding assets or refusing to share financial information, use the legal discovery process. This involves requesting bank statements, tax returns, and other financial records. Sometimes, hiring a forensic accountant can help uncover hidden assets. When it comes to child custody, courts focus on what is best for the children. If your ex is using the kids as a way to get back at you or exposing them to conflict, the court may limit contact or set strict guidelines for communication. In extreme cases, you might seek a restraining order if there is a threat of harm. Mediation or counseling can sometimes help resolve disputes without going to court. A neutral third party can facilitate discussions and help you and your ex reach agreements. But if your ex refuses to cooperate, mediation might not work. Having an experienced family law attorney is very helpful. They can guide you through the legal process, help you respond to your ex's tactics, and protect your rights. They can advise when to negotiate and when to stand firm. Lastly, take care of yourself. Seek support from friends, family, or a counselor. Staying emotionally healthy will help you make better decisions and handle the stress of a contested divorce. In summary, dealing with a hostile ex involves staying calm, documenting everything, using legal tools to enforce court orders, protecting your financial interests, prioritizing your children's well-being, and working with a knowledgeable attorney. These steps can help you navigate the process and work toward a fair outcome.